Hi, in this video we will see how to disable the sleep mode in Windows 10 computer. To disable the sleep mode in Windows 10 computer, at first click on the start menu and then we have to move our cursor on top of the settings. There is a gear like icon, and once we move our cursor here, then we will see the settings. So we just need to open it. To open this, just click on top of it and then the Windows settings window will be appeared. From here we have to go to the system, this option. Once we are in the system, then we'll found couple of menus over here from top to bottom. Our plan is to disable the sleep mode of Windows. So for that case, we need to go the power and sleep, this option. So inside this menu, you will find this power and sleep. So what we have to do, we just need to click here to access the power and sleep settings. And once we click there, in the right side we'll see the power and sleep related stuff over there. Our target was to disable the sleep mode of Windows 10. So here we'll see the sleep settings, and there are two drop down boxes, and one is for one battery power. PC goes to sleep after this thing and when plugged in. That means your computer or laptop, if there is a battery, then these settings will work. And if so under these settings, you will find two drop downs. One is when your computer will be powered by battery. At that time, it will go for set sleep mode after this amount of time. And bottom there is other one, when your computer is plugged in with the power, then it will go to the system sleep mode after this amount of time. But our goal was to disable it completely, so for both of the cases we will have to change the none instead of particular minutes. So we first need to click this drop down and we have to scroll at the bottom, and then we'll see never options. So we have to select this option never, and it will be never. And then from this drop down we also choose the same way. So we have to scroll down at the bottom and then we'll see never. And once you did this, just close this thing. It will save the settings and your computer will never go for sleep mode anymore. Once you finish, just close this thing. So in this way you can disable the sleep mode in Windows 10. Hopefully this video helps you to disable the sleep mode in Windows 10, and thank you for watching.